Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm usually behind the camera here at Videopro, but today I decided to step in front of the lens for tech in 60 seconds. Let's go. So I want to talk today about the RØDE NTH-100 headphones. These are my daily editing headphones, so I wear them every day for long periods and they never get uncomfortable or hot. I really like wearing them. They do have this locking mechanism on the side, which is prone to breakage. After about a year of use, I had mine break. But the great thing about these headphones is a lifetime warranty. So RØDE replaced them straight away, no questions asked, which is amazing. They are not noise cancelling, but I don't mind being able to hear what's going around me in the office. They do have a little bit of slight leakage, but only if you've got it up at really loud volumes. The cable is like crazy long. They do also have these colourful ID rings on them, so if you've got a couple of pairs of headphones for monitoring and for editing or whatever, you can distinguish between the two. There is a mic that you can attach to, which will attach in the other side, so if you want to use it for video calls or gaming or something like that. They are a great price and I really love these headphones. So thanks heaps for watching today. Make sure you like the video, drop us a comment if there's something you want us to do a tech in 60 seconds on next, and make sure you subscribe to the channel too. I'll see you next time.